Greetings to the respect judges. Welcome to our IICFE 2026 presentation. Our project is titled WORDOPOLY, a board game for English language learning. So, this is my group member. Myself, the group leader Muhammad Zafran, Sapian Kandung, Nurul Atika, Zabaria and Zainab. So, the introduction for our project is the WORDOPOLY itself. WORDOPOLY is an educational board game designed to make English learning more fun, interactive, and student-friendly. It helps many students to learn grammar, spelling, and vocabulary without the borings and not through the traditional and textbook and worksheets. Therefore, WORDOPOLY was developed to transform English language learning into something enjoyable and interactive. So, the methodology for our project is, firstly, we have a problem identification, next research and planning, content development. We use CFR B1 until B2 because we want to develop a board game for beginners until intermediate, and the board game design, where I personally collaborated with a master student at UiTM Shah Alam, and prototype production to use for the pilot testing, and lastly, the feedback and improvement where I can see what to improve and to finish the final product. So, the findings for my games, I actually tested the games at 3 different groups, which is LG120 students, Art and Design students, and Malacca Matriculation students. So overall, they said that my game is very enjoyable and interactive, and they also gave me a 4.9 over 5. So that's a high rating for a board game. So as you can see, 87% of them felt improvement for grammar, spelling, and vocabulary. So I can say that my game actually worked and effective. So let me explain to you what is WORDOPOLY. So WORDOPOLY is a board game for English language learning that have 3 skills: grammar, spelling, and vocabulary. So how to play it? First, roll the dice. Next, move your token. Land on challenge space. For example, if you land on grammar, you need to answer the grammar challenge, the grammar question. You need to answer within 15 seconds and earn point. So, and then I also added lucky cards to change the flow of the game. So, for scoring, grammar is 5 points, spelling is 5 points, and vocabulary is 3 points. So, to win, you need to reach 50 total points, 15 points in each category, and you need to enter to win space, and then need to answer three question from grammar, vocabulary, and spelling correctly within 14 seconds to become the word master. It's very simple, and it's a beginner friendly game. So my target for my game is, I want my game to be published at school during the English class or tuition center or any English program. For the last version, I want it to be in digital version because I can see in the future that everything will be in digital form. So it also a way for me to have an income by creating this project. So my project, WORDOPOLY, has been copyrighted at My Ipoh Malaysia, and also I already win the Panel Choice Award during my final year project Picasso in LG120 in UiTM Lendu. In conclusion, WORDOPOLY demonstrates that learning English does not always have to happen through traditional methods. Learning can be interactive, learning can be collaborative, and learning can be enjoyable. WORDOPOLY combines education and play to support English language development while encouraging motivation, participation, communication, and confidence.